Alright guys, so as you can tell, these two didn't get the memo on how to sit in a car. In fact, he's just straight up in the windshield. He is just in the windshield. Now, no game is without its flaws. Why did we stop here? So we must be near the waterfall, which is not too far ahead. Might as well see what's in this little city, town, not city, this little area here. Debased silver piece. Yeah, I didn't do anything in between screen time there. Wildlife alert. In Calentine's plunge, attacks on anglers increasing. Okay. So don't go fishing, right? Barbecue chips made with 100% lime potatoes. Hot barbecue sauce packed with 10 secret spices. Hot barbecue sauce. Cheese chips.
Never tried this flavor before.
Then give it a try.
This will go straight to my belly, huh?
Oh my gosh. Why is there... That's a lot of Final Fantasy 11 stuff. Of course, like the one Final Fantasy game I don't know any music from. Don't need any of that. Hot breather, what is this for? Oh, this is all fish and stuff. Iron Shelf Recipes Volume 3, a cookbook specializing in pastries. Is that worth buying right now? I'm gonna leave it alone. No, I mean, I guess I can pick it up. I always got stuff to sell if I need to. Just seems like if that ends up being something I need to collect for like an achievement, I don't want to have to run around place to place to place. Looked like Noctis's HP just went up or something. Might be wrong about that. Maybe I missaw that. Yep, Fungwar. Sweet. And anything else important? No. Couple items. Spider silk is for fishing as well. Firefly motor oil. Lube that lasts through the roughest rides. Deadly water Sahakan 1. What was that? I have no idea what that item is. A pencil lure. Oh, it's okay. It's just a the little froggy looking lure thing. Gotcha. Okay, they're different lures suited to different type of fish. Okay, I got it. I've literally not done any fishing since that first little part with feeding the cat, so not familiar with the lures. Alright, I guess I leave the car here and move on foot. It's not very far away. Rusted bit.
Let's hit it.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I can't jump off the bridge. So I guess we will keep on the bridge. Alright, anyway. Wait, can I get off this bridge?
Oh, dang. Can't get it out of my head.
Uh-huh. Alright, I see the waterfall. I see this waterfall you're talking about. I can't jump off this? No. Alright, maybe it was a bad idea to not take the car. Oh well. It's gotta be a way off the bridge though. How do I... How do I get down to you, waterfall? This bridge never ends. Guys, does it really just keep going? Oh no. Huh. Alright, so how am I supposed to get down to that waterfall then? If there's no way off the bridge to the right, can't jump over it. Can't jump over this side. So I'm guessing I have to go back to the town and... Looks like maybe from that town over there I can come down the side, I guess. Yeah, more snapshots, right. Hey, man.
Never stop snapping away, do you?
Nope. These shots of you will sell for a pretty gill.
Who's gonna buy him?
And there's bound to be some suckers out there. If not, well, I'll still have the memories.
Alright, so, yeah, and probably not the most entertaining thing in the world to watch me, run down to the edge of the bridge and then run all the way back again, but I figured there would be a way off the bridge. I was incorrect about that. Ah, okay. Well, we found it. Could have saved ourselves some time, but oh well. Oh, that did hurt me. I did take fall damage. No, we're not going to go that way. Magic Catalyst. Use items when crafting spell. Okay, I don't have any of those yet. Or at least not to my knowledge.
That does it for the downpour.
Beautiful day.
Random potion. Alright, so we want to go this way. If I can. Doesn't look like I'm able to. Oh, what is that down there? That looks like something we probably don't want to mess with. It looks like we might have to go around this way to get to the waterfall. Oh, what level are you? I don't really want to mess with you.
I'll go in first and
Oh, no. Level 54. Midgar Solmi.
not today you're not. Let's go.
Not today, we're not. The FF7 homage there. Midgar Storm. Oh, and we got crabs over here. Level 18, right on the mark.
Showtime.
Thought seafood would make you happy, especially something this big.
No, Mr. Nice Guy!
It will have lost its flavor.
What you're hung up about?
Oh, jeez. God, the enemies just kill you so quickly.
Thanks for that.
Hurt no mind.
What the heck, man?
All better?
Alright, so... Jeez. And I died. Because I don't have any way to heal myself. So I think I just got game over there. Yep. I don't understand. Like, what? Oh, no. When was the most recent save? That's the question. Hopefully it was in the little town nearby. If not, it might be a problem. I haven't really manually saved or anything like that. Man, I just got, like, instantly killed by those things, though. Need to do more blocking, I suppose. Yeah, if it ever loads back up. Alright, it was in the little town nearby. So, not really punished for that or anything. At least I don't have to run down the bridge again, right? Right, there were a couple other items over here. I will pick those up again. You get to see me do this all over again. Alright. Let's be smart about it this time. Instead of running a whole minute and a half down there, we're going to run to where we're supposed to be.
Can't get it out of my head.
I think I missed that last time. That's another ore there. Fatal Roulette. Did you see that skill there? See that next level platforming? Maybe I should try out some different weapons too. I do have that other I forget what they call them, the ancient weapon that I haven't tried out. But I'm gonna stick with the one I have equipped right now. And I'm gonna avoid this level 50 something snake. And ooh, Mega Phoenix. Missed that last time. Alright, is there a way to just take on one of these? God, there's 5 of them? Come on. Just you, just you.
It's time.
No holding back.
Business as usual.
Yeah, I did just hit my own people. No, don't run.
Gotcha.
God, they have so much health too. They're not attacking back for some reason. Are they glitched or? No, the purple there, you see the purple and orange. Orange means that you're dealing extra damage, like either criticals or they're weak to it. The purple means that you're dealing reduced damage to them. God, he just did 300 damage with one, like, random attack.
Say your prayers. Oh, hi there, opening. Nice work, Gladio.
Sweet. So far, so good.
Another one to wrap up quick.
Good chance to earn some experience.
Oh. 2 hits and you're down. Come on, guys. Come get me.
This can't be.
He's looking pretty rough.
Weird. Some of the crabs are just, like, not doing very much movement. Alright, we got this one. Or not. Ignis is dead. And I'm almost dead. Unless one of my guys comes and gets me again.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Thanks, man. So the spear deals critical damage on him. Nice.
What?
Still just got so much health. Ooh, oh, now you're flipped over. What now, crab? What now, crab? I think if I leave combat, anybody who's dead revives automatically, so shouldn't be too big of a deal for Ignis there. There's a little bit of strategy in combat as far as like when you need to block, when you need to attack. Come on, come on, come on. Guess I could use items a little bit more freely too. Alright, get in there, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. Yep, so Ignis has arrived. Awesome. So one thing I forgot about this weapon, the sword that I have equipped, is that as you're attacking with it, you lose HP. So it does like ton of damage, but you lose a lot of HP when you're actually dealing damage with it. Not while just having it equipped. Like right now I have it equipped and I'm not losing any extra life or anything like that. But when you're in combat and you're dealing damage with it, you start losing life.
What's up, Iggy?
I've come up with a new recipe.
Another one? Jeez.
Can't wait to try it.
Don't know how much exploration I should do around this area with that giant snake there, but we'll kind of play it safe. I guess I can't cross the river. Okay. Guess I'm not doing very much exploration at all. Chrome bit. Oh, chrome bit is, I believe, one of the items I need to upgrade a weapon back in Hammerhead. I think. Might be wrong about that. It sounds familiar, at least. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just a, like, slightly better selling item. Yeah, that's probably it, actually. I see you down there, item. Mega Phoenix. Cool. Back up we go. If I can figure out how to get back up. That'll work. Alright, to the waterfall.
The legend says to look behind the waterfall.
What does the waterfall say?
I think it says, come in.
But how? I don't understand how there would be a legend of a treasure hidden behind a waterfall, but nobody's checked.
An entrance.
Looks like the legend checks out.
It's not a legend, it's just people knowing stuff. The Grayshire Glacial.
Double back for our coats.
What's the point? Little chill won't kill you.
Alright, we are in a dungeon,
Well,
which I'm assuming, yep, has the same kind of layout where we have to
maybe they
uncover the map as we go.
Because monsters like warmth.
sarcasm.
Fossil shell.
What if they're frozen?
Encased in ice. Waiting.
Isn't that the fossil you use in Pokemon to get an Ammonite? Oh, what is... Oh. We got us some magic flan, and they are weak to magic.
Hey, now! Warp strike to catch him off guard!
Alright, so keep magic up. That was very strong against them.
Slip sliding.
Heyo.
Say your prayers. Humans love deep pits. Let's get it over with.
Those parries are pretty crazy. Yeah, take it and get some.
Brilliant.
Not too bad.
Watch this.
Wish I could see what was going on. I'm just like letting y'all know at home, like I was not operating the camera very much there at all. Like I barely touched it. I was just all over the place. All right.
Yep.
I really hope we didn't come here for nothing.
Sure, there's something if we look.
Well, the layout of this dungeon explains a little bit more about how they would not have retrieved the sword, but still doesn't seem like a legend. Oh, there was an item up there. What? Oh my god, stop. One of these stupid things. We saw one of these in the first dungeon, where it destroyed us. And is continuing to destroy us. Take out the little guys. Oh snap. Didn't realize I was down. Let's see, must be weak to the big sword. If big, weak at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Thought it would never end.
Alright, where from here though? I missed a lot of items down that slope. Can I get back up to them? Let me try this. Oh, that's a good point. I see the little fire thing. I am in an ice place, aren't I?
I'm going all out. Just a bit too bad. Sure want to talk.
Yeah, the sword is just so much quicker than the rest of the weapons against these little imps, so should probably be switching to the sword against them, but keeping it off for other enemies. Or at least it feels like that's what I should be doing. Fossil shell.
Hey, you want to watch where you're going?
Oh, can't get up there.
Times.
Enough talk. Time for some action.
Got him.
Eagle's looking pretty rough.
No one, Mr. Nice Guy.
Keep your head.
Tell him to coming. Everything I need now.
Where'd you go? Easy once there's only one of them left. And they are resistant to the two-handed weapons. Good to know. Alright, I'm gonna put some fire on. That seems appropriate for this little ice dungeon, right? Maybe you disagree, but I kind of like it. Oh, I forgot all about the Ascension. Whoops. You must empty the flask before you can use it. I don't want to use it. Yeah, I just failed to equip that once. Yeah. Alright, fire on.
Hanging around here. Indeed.
This way. Why? I have no idea. No, let's not jump down there quite yet. Be honest, I don't really know where I'm going. Oh, alright. Let's try the... Oh, my party is burning alive. Thanks to me. Jeez, stop. Leave me alone.
Not good if your daddy's in the dark.
Be nice to brighten things up in here.
Got him. Got him. Immaculate. Yeah, you really gotta watch out with the magic, because they have like this big AoE effect, and every time I use them I end up hitting my own party members too. It's just me just really not being that careful, but at the same time, I mean, I'm inside, right? There's only so much I can do. Close. Proceed. Yes, I will proceed. I'll proceed very carefully.
Just got frosted, dude.
Really? How's it look?
Don't jump. Yeah, let's not go down. No! Why would you do that? Oh my gosh. Well, here's a magic point, I guess, if nothing else. An ice one, are you serious? Are you serious? Well, it's not like there are any significant landmarks, so I don't actually know if those are the spots I've been to already or not. My guess is it's probably best to go up than it is to go... Better to go up than it is to go down. But that's just a hunch. Don't really know. This is telling me go this way. So I'm gonna go this way. Aha. Alright, guess I'm gonna go back the way I was going first time. Alright, so up here. Teamwork abilities make for smoother combats. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. Alright, follow the map. Follow the mini-map. That's the name of the game right now. So, up and around. This is where I just fought the flan. Okay. To the left, I believe, is where... And we had the little proceed that right around the corner. Yep, there it is. Alright, we're back on track. We're not going to fall off this time. Not entirely sure I should have fallen off the first time, but, you know, it is what it is. So, approach that very carefully. Carbon bangle. Is that better than the one I currently have on? Oh, I don't have one on at all. What is this choker? I always forget what these things do. Recovery rate and the garnet bracelet is what? Enhances strength. Bronze carbon bangle. Yeah, I kind of like the extra HP right now. Which means I can upgrade that to iron. Star Pendant's what? Poison? Yeah, not very relevant, so might as well give him a slightly better item. And then the Fencer's Anklet is enhances vitality. Sure, why not? Alright, where to from here? Okay, over this little bridge. I'm going to take it nice and slow. Nice and slow. I don't know why they would put that over there. It's just another opportunity to fall. Yeah, in a sec. In a sec. Let's go get this item up on top of here. Ether. We have an ether. Ether restores MP, or at least it always has, so I'm assuming it does the same thing in this game. But, you know, been wrong before. One ought not to assume. Fossil wood. Why does it look like I'm going the opposite direction of... Oh, what is that? I probably shouldn't have my back to the camera. Ronin. There's a samurai in here? Ouch. Gross.
Gladio.
Jeez. The camera's so bad for this tight spot, like, what the heck?
You're looking out.
Come on. Thanks, bud. Alright, let me kill this little imp first. Ooh, there's a warp spot, but I can't. Can't get it while I'm down. Uh-oh. Alright, I need to heal.
Thanks for that.
Alright. Took the imp down. What the heck? Oh no, I'm about to die! Quick, 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 quick! Come get me, come get me! Yes. Yes!
I know.
Got him. Gosh, this is not easy. The enemies are on par with my level, but they're just kicking my butt. Maybe I really do need to, like, stock up on items and everything. Stock up on items, not stop up. Feels like every enemy is just kicking my butt. Let's get some fire, huh? Guess I don't need to spread it out that much. Or, I mean, I don't need to use so much per... per whatever it's called, elemency. Alright, this looks like it leads to a drop-off on the map. Pick up ammonite fossil. Can I drop back down here? Oh, I don't want to do that, do I? Is that where I came in? Yeah, that's where I came in. Alright, so we're gonna turn back around and go this way. Alright, we'll pay a little more attention to the map right now, I suppose. Guess I could check what these fossils do as well. Alright, let's go this way? No, the other direction. This way. And it should connect to that other little section there. And wasn't super important, but fills in some stuff on the map. Alright, so if I jump down here... Oh, there was an item! Oh, it doesn't really matter, but... Alright, we're gonna go back down. From here, we need to go just straight across. Like, as far as we can go, pretty much. Down again? Yeah, down again it looks like. Okay. Oh, I took damage too. From here... Don't believe I want to go down. can't go that way, so if I follow around, yeah. Alright, got it. So we're gonna go to the right up here. This way. And that should lead very close. This is a dead end, I believe. So I'm just kind of like talking to myself right now. Another star pendant. It's the poison resistance thing. Do I need that? Is that important? Oh, this just looked like a dead end, though. It is just a dead end. So that can't be where we... Oh, actually it does look like where we're supposed to go. But how do I get up there? So... From the map, it doesn't look like there's really a clear way up there. Sword in the waterfall? Wait a second. Hold on a second. Do I have a legend? Can I bring up a legend? No? Is this where I came in, or is this where I came in? No, that's where I have to go, right? So I need to turn back around. Or no, I need to go this way. Back to the ice thing and somehow get over here? Yeah, I guess. So back around. This way. Without falling down. Looks like I can go... Yeah. Well, can I? Looks like I can get over there, but how? Ah, I see. That wasn't super apparent. There was a little blue sliver on the map, but it looked like maybe that wasn't intentional. No idea. We figured it out, though. Okay. That's the game telling me something, right? You need fire. You want fire. Alright, so a little bit bigger. Let's go this way first. Up.
Well, this is new. You can say that again.
What's that? Are they talking about something?
Well, this seems perfectly safe.
Ah, jeez. I don't want to fight this thing up here. Just gonna play super safe, block until it looks like there's an opening. Ooh, just wrecked him. Her, it, Arachne. Yeah, this game definitely rewards you for patience and playing it safe. Pick up a high elixir. What is the elixirs? Fully restores HP and MP, regenerates half of max HP. Alright, high elixir restores maximum HP and MP. I might want to use those on myself because my HP is low.
Didn't mean to do that.
I really don't want to die either.
Nothing turned up.
Did you double check?
Triple checked.
Then we're done.
Where to next?
Nothing turned up. As in there was no item here? Alright. You know what I should be doing for right now, since I'm half dead, I should have the engine blade on instead, so that I can use my quick weapon but not really be dead to it, right? Alright, so I need to go back to where I just found the fire thing, which is... I could drop down here. I don't know if that's a wise idea or not. Yeah, I mean, I guess let's do it, right?
I did not see that coming.
Alright. I want the big blade on for this guy. And you can see just by scoring criticals how much faster that guy went down.
Be nice to brighten things up in here.
More elixirs, more items. I'll take them. I mean, they're expensive, so I might as well get what I can get, right? Where's this leading me? Well, we have not been this way yet. Alright, well, tell you what, guys. This video is 40 minutes long at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause. I'm going to move along to the next video, and then we'll finish up this dungeon in the next video. And we'll probably call that quits for the videos for today. So, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there with me in this second dungeon of the game. And I'll be back for more content here in a little bit. Alright, bye.